Someone said, こんにちは. You open your mouth and nothing. Your brain just goes blank. If that's you, it's not your vocabulary. And I'm going to give you the one thing that fixes it. Here's the truth in one sentence. Freezing isn't a knowledge problem. It's a speed problem. The words are in there. You just can't pull them out fast enough. And the silence makes you panic, which makes it worse. So the fix isn't more studying. It's the way to handle the silence. And it's really simple. It's a 2-second pause and done on purpose. Most learners freeze in silence. You're going to freeze out loud. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. When your mind goes blank, do not go silent. Silent is what triggers the panic. Instead, fill it out loud with a thinking sound. The easiest one? That's your the sound you make while you think. And you want a second one. なんだろう? Like, what is it? Let me think.Say them slowly. なんだろう? Here's why it's work. In your head, that sounds like a failure. But to the person listening, it's completely normal. Japanese people do it constantly. It doesn't sound like you're stuck. It sounds like you're thinking. You just bored yourself 2 seconds and nobody noticed.You needed that. Step 2, and this is the part that actually breaks the freeze. In those 2 seconds, do not reach for the perfect sentence. Reach for the simplest true one. Drop the goal from impressive to done. Let's actually do it because reading about it won't unfreeze you. Reps well. I'll ask a normal everyday question. You pause with then say the simplest answer.I'll go first, then it's your turn. Ready? 昨日、お昼ご飯何食べた? What did you eat for lunch yesterday? パスタ食べた. That's it. I had pasta, not a speech, one true thing. Now you try. Pause. And answer. 今日、仕事の後何する予定? What are you doing after work? 特にないかな。まっすぐ家に帰る。Nothing really.Going straight home. See how bites the second and kana softens it so you don't even need to be sure. Your turn. Last one, and this time I'm not going to answer for you. 週末何してた? What were you doing last weekend? Pause. And say one simple true thing out loud.Right now. Whatever you just said, even if it was 2 words, that's the win. Because notice, once the first sentence is out, the next one is easier. The freeze is the worst at very start. The pause get you past the start. That's the whole game. Here's a mindset piece because the technique only works if you believe this. A pause is not a failure.In Japanese conversation, a little silence, a little is normal and even polite. It shows you are taking the question seriously. The person you are talking is not judging your pause. They are waiting comfortably. You are the only one panicking. Once you stop treating silence as an emergency, the freeze loses power. Optional. Only if real.Your own words, a time you froze only on what it felt like and the first time the pause trick worked for you. So the freeze fix. 1. Don't go silent. Reach out loud with or なんだろう. 2. Reach for the simplest sentence, not the perfect one. 3. Remember, a pause isn't failure. It's normal. That's it. You don't need more words.You need 2 seconds and a way to fill them. If this helps, subscribe. I teach one real speaking tip like this every week. And tell me in the comments, what's the question that makes you freeze the most? Drop it below. I read all and I might answer it in the next video. And listen, freezing doesn't mean you are bad at Japanese. It means you are brave enough to try in real time. The pause just gives your brain a second to catch up. You've got this. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。See you in the next video.